Earn $997 per day YouTube Shorts. Hi, in this video, I will tell you about a brand new method for which you can end up making so much money with YouTube Shorts. You can live anywhere in the world, and this particular method is still gonna work for you regardless of where you live. But before we move any further, I wanna give you a small disclaimer that the following video is gonna be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, well then I cannot guarantee that this particular method is gonna work for you. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and not skip and wasting any more of your time. Let's jump into the video. In step number 1, I want you to come on to youtube.com. As soon as you come on to youtube.com, this is the dashboard that you are going to be seeing. So from over here, YouTube is going to be our main source of content because we have to make sure that we get the best videos. So from over here, I want you to simply type in over here, dogs videos. So once you type in dogs videos, you are going to have so many of these videos come up. Now, some of these videos actually have 60 plus million views. Some of these videos have 11 million views. Some of these videos even have 25 million views, 15 million views, 140 million. These videos are getting a ton of views. Now this cartoon over here has a 343 million views. This is absolutely insane. So now from over here, I want you to click on filters and then I want you to click on creative comments. Now I want you to click on creative comments after that. From over here, you are gonna see all the videos that don't have any copyright restrictions on them. What? So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to just basically pick the video that has the most views, because that usually means that video had the most watch time, and the most watch time means that the video is actually really good. So now from over here, what I want you to do is I want you to just basically browse around and pick the video from over here with the most views. This video over here has 28 million views. So I think that this video is actually really good. So I'm going to open it up in a new tab. And then as soon as I open it up in a new tab, now I'm going to copy the link from YouTube. And then from over here, I will type in YouTube video downloader. So once I type in YouTube video downloader over here, after that, simply open first link. And then from over here, simply paste that link of that YouTube video over here. Now once you paste that link of that YouTube video over here, just simply click on download from over here. Now once you click on download, but then after that it's gonna take a few seconds and then your video is gonna be downloaded. Now, once your video is downloaded, now from over here, you just have to wait for a few seconds while your video completes. It's downloading. Another important thing that you have to keep in mind is that you also need affiliate product to go with this particular video if you want to end up making a $997 per day with YouTube Shorts, because you have to make sure that whatever you are doing is actually gonna work or not. So from over here, what I want you to do is I want you to go to a website called ddstore24.com, because the store 24 works worldwide and it doesn't matter where you live. You can live anywhere in the world and still the store 24 is gonna work for you regardless. So simply sign up on the store 24 and I'll catch you in 1 second. Once you have signed up on the 24, this is the dashboard that you are gonna be seeing. So now from over here, click on marketplace and click on all offers. Really marketplace. And now from over here, I want you to basically go into animals and pets in the categories. And then from over here, just simply take a look at some dog related products. So over here you have the option for dog health exposed. You have so many different products. So this particular product is gonna pay you $5 per sale, which is gonna be 70% commission. I think that this product is a really good product when it comes to actually getting some sales. So click on promote now, and then after that, just simply copy this link. And once you copy this link after that, you are done with step number 2 as well. Now, of course, you can browse around and you can find better offers over here. But to save time, I'm just gonna get this particular offer. So once I've gotten this offer, and once I have this video downloaded, now I want you to click on the upload video button. And then after that, I want you to just simply drag and drop the video that you just downloaded over here. So once you drag and drop that video that you just downloaded, after that, I want you to just simply paste the product details of the product that you got from DG Store 24 and just simply copy this text. And then after that, it paste it over here. And then after that, you type in over here affiliate link. Now, once you do that, after that, just simply paste that link over here, and then after that, you will be able to just simply start getting commissions. So over here, click on next, and then from over here, choose. No, it's not bad for kids. Then click on next once again, then click on next. And then after that, just simply make the video public. Now, once you make the video public, you are gonna start getting organic traffic over here. So over here, as you can see that our video looks super nice, and this video is gonna get a lot of watch time. Now the more watch time this video, the more money and the more commissions you will end up making. So let's say this video gets 100,000 views, and out of those 100,000 views, 10,000 people sign up, which is a very low estimate. But still, for the sake of this video, let's do that. So let's say you get 10,000 people multiplied by $5 per commission. That is $50,000 for you in just commissions alone. That is an insane amount of money, and honestly, I don't know why more people are not doing it. You can definitely take full advantage of this particular method, and you can definitely end up making really good money. And in the end, I would just like to say one more thing, that if you found this method helpful, and if you think that this method actually, if you feel like this method is the perfect one for you, then be sure to share this method with your friends and family as well. Because then all of your loved ones are also going to be able to make money alongside you. Because what's the fun in making money if you don't have the people you love around you making money as well? So what you need to do with that, you need to share this video to your family's WhatsApp group, to your friends' WhatsApp groups, and also to your Instagram BMS as well. So all of those people could also make money, because in the end, if you are all making money yourself, well then it's gonna be very, very fun, and you all are gonna become millionaires together. Now, this method also covers all the basics of how you can get started with these softwares or these make money online methods. And honestly, if you follow this step by step, then honestly you won't run into any problem. And again, one last thing, if you run into any problem, if you feel like you did not understand something, well, you can just simply watch this video again once and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, then watch this video again and again till you completely understand, because sometimes you might miss this stuff. So it's always better to watch these videos again and again. And similarly, also tell your friends and family as well to watch this video again if they don't understand anything, because they covered everything. So everything that you need to know must be in this video. If you don't get it, well then simply watch this video again, and you will definitely understand it again. In the end, I would just like to give you my well wishes. I hope that this method works for you and you are actually able to do what you want to do with these particular methods. Again, it's not gonna take much time. It's only gonna take a few minutes. So definitely give this video a quick rewatch if you don't understand anything.